we have a concept called a retell. Ano yung retell? Kailangan sanayin mo yung mga anak mong mag-retell. In other words, whenever something happens to them, and you just use the keywords retell, they should know what to do, how to tell the story of what happened to them. And this is habit forming, no? Kailangan may habit kayong nagpaparitel ka. For example, nanood kayo ng Spider-Man, no? Sa TV. Yan, kasi luma na yung Spider-Man. After watching it, you don't ask, did you like it? Duh. Don't ask, do you like it? You say, what was the best part for you? Siyempre, when you're a beginner, you ask questions like that. Which part did you not like? Tapos, you should start this early. Kasi batang-bata pa lang. Kasi pag in-start mo yan, at teenager yan, tapos hindi mo binigyan ng orientation, ito gagawin natin ha, magre-retell ka, ganun. Ang kasabihin lang yan, okay, it was all okay. There was nothing important. It was fine. Kasi nga, hindi mo tinrain na mag-retell. Ang maganda niyang style is, you train the kid in what a retell means. Okay, sabihin mo, okay, there's this concept, I'll teach you how. Retell is when you tell me your thoughts about the thing that we just went through together, like the movie, a TV show, a book, a chapter of a book, kanyan. Paparetell mo. If you're in the comment line, if you're watching this, and you're learning something, please type the word retell. Okay? So that's the first one.